Hello, my name is Anand. In this exercise, we are going to learn about Amazon Comprehend, that is the natural language processing to analyze. So, detailed documentation is available at awsamazon.com/comprehend. You can also watch in this page. This is the detailed documentation. You can scroll down to get into more details on that. So, the important line is that NLP service that uses machine learning to uncover information in unstructured data. We'll just copy paste the paragraphs and we can get more and more information related to maybe the most personal classification of data, not only that, the sentiment and customer experiences, and of course the identifiable, the information which also reduces the mass, that content. This is fully managed, so you can get up and running quickly without having to train the models from scratch. You can start processing millions of documents in minutes by leveraging the power of machine learning. So here I have just briefed out some of the important points in Comprehend. We need to know a fully managed natural language processing service that leverages machine learning to find insights and relationships in text. So if you ask me whether to learn Comprehend, any machine learning expertise is required? No, not much. Comprehend identifies the language of the text, extract key phrases, places, people, brands or events. It understands if the text expresses positive or negative sentiment and automatically organizes a collection of text files by topic. Of course, we will be going to do by attaching some positive or negative sentiments also. You can build a custom set of entities or text classification models that are tailored uniquely to your organizational needs. So Amazon Comprehend Medical can be used to identify medical conditions also. This is another module which is there in Comprehend. Okay, so when you fix up the doctor's medical prescription, you get all kind of information related to medications, dosages, strengths and frequencies from all sources like doctor's notes, clinical trial reports, and of course the patient's health records. Okay, so how much is the pricing means you have to pay only how much you are using. So this is what is really required. So now let me start by doing an exercise. This is a what we call as a letter of recommendation. You know this I'm just copy pasting this information in Comprehend. I'll just copy this particular one. Of course still more is there. I'll copy the entire one here, letter of recommendation, including the title I can make use. This is the letter of recommendation. I'm just copying and let me analyze once after copy. Okay, so let me quickly go to this Amazon dashboard console and say Comprehend. This Amazon Comprehend. This should be the main dashboard of the Amazon Comprehend. You see there are two modules here, launch Amazon Comprehend, and of course the second one is the medical. So once I click this dashboard, I can select this built-in and remove of the existing input text and paste the text which you have copied over earlier, like a letter of recommendation. So I'm going to use this analyze. Just wait till we get the analysis report. You see here now the report. You see the results. In results, you can see the analyzed text. So it could easily identify that Florida University is an organization, Gina Higgins is a person, last 4 years is something related to time, Gina is a person. So you can see, okay, this is one, and also the important phrases. You see, letter, it has a confidence that it is 0.83, that is right. Recommendation, the important words which are phrases which are relatively bringing to the complete information. A college professor 0.99, it could understand. Okay, Florida Eastern University, there is a phrase, complete phrase, Gina Higgins. You can see our school. Okay, now let me figure out what language this is written. So here the result is completely 100% or 0.99 confidence is English. Let me see about this personal data. PII is personal identifiable information. Let me see the results. See all the proper the names will be there here, all Gina Higgins. It is complete confident that this is a name. And let me importantly verify the sentiment. Okay, so the sentiment here it is displayed is about 0.99 confidence is positive, nothing is negative. This letter of recommendation is a positive. Okay, so this is about one of the letter recommendation. Like let me try doing with another one which I know that this is a negative sentiment, but let me see what Amazon Comprehend says. So I am just copying. Again I will try to analyze one more. So I am removing of this data, existing data, and then paste the other one. Purposefully the name of the customer has been masked so that your PA will not be there. Okay, let me see this analysis. Okay, so now the results is when you see about the key phrases, customer negative reviewers, it could understand that customer service, these are all the phrases which are there. Okay, and you see the language is of course English, and there is no PII information. Okay, sentiment you can see this is 0% positive and 99% negative. Okay, so we need to know about this one. Okay, so this is about in short about how to analyze this Amazon's Comprehend in a real time analysis. Okay, even you can later on do the upload from information from the bucket itself, provide an IAM rule or role, and then you can even comprehend directly whatever the text coming across. Okay, so now let me also do this the second one, which is called as the medical. So medical is something different which we need to understand this one. So for this what I have done is I have already copy pasted this. Let me copy this a clinical trial report. Let me try to analyze and just say copy clinical trial report. Okay, start analyzing. So you can understand this particular one. So the entities, yeah, you can see various see this is a doctoring language. You can see all the highlighted text which are there. This pneumonia is a diagnosis. It could identify each and everything, what is what, all the diagnostics which are there has been highlighted. Bloodstream infections, MBL, gram negative bacterial. So you can say clinical trial is a treatment name. Okay, and also the medicine name, medication name, which has clearly defined all these things. Okay, this is also disease name, right? So in this way, this and you have still more, all the information which is there. Okay, and also the anatomy also is displayed here, and you can see this RX concepts. So this makes very easy for anyone to analyze the data post analysis, intra-abdominal infections, urinary tract. So what does okay, these are all the provided by CDC. These are the entities which are there. So that's all in this short exercise on Amazon Comprehend. Okay, that's all and bye.